Marion County is only minutes from Fort Benning. Affordable housing and a strong public school system are some of the advantages you'll discover here. The city of Buena Vista serves as the Marion County seat, so government services are easily accessible. The economic forecast is bright, and employment for spouses and family members is available throughout the region. Healthcare services are in and near Marion County, including state-of-the-art hospitals and specialized care facilities. Local sites of interest include the unique art community of Pasaquan. Regional attractions like Westville, Florence Marina State Park, and Providence Canyon make for great family outings. Shopping, dining, and entertainment are all close by in Columbus, Georgia, the state's third largest city. Marion County, Georgia, one of the Chattahoochee Valley's prime spots for natural charm and convenient living.